Hello, in front of me I've got Mio MiVue J30 dashcam. In this video I'll describe to you LED light. As you can see right here, we've got the LED lights next to the power button. Glowing in green indicates that recording is continuous. When the green flashes, it means that event recording is in progress. When the amber LED glows, it indicates that the recording stops by some system issues, or the Wi-Fi mode is turned on, or there's an error with memory card. When the amber light flashes, it means that system is in update. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.